Hey guys, it's Andrew here at Ross Motorsports in Lufkin, Texas, your authorized Bass Cat dealer. Here I'm standing beside a certified pre-owned boat. This is a 2020 Bass Cat Cougar FTD, powered by a 250 Yamaha SHO, dual talon poles. This boat is equipped with 3 Lowrance Live 12s and a Garmin Panoptix system up on the front. If you have any questions on this boat or any of my other inventory, check out my website, rossmotorsports.com. Give us a shout, 936-465-5551. Remember, financing is available. We do take trades and ask for the guy in the videos. Thank y'all.